back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out. Thank you for spending your Saturday evening with us here. Juice boxes down here in the infield. We got a multi-time feature winner, Mr. Gunnar Signer, amongst a bunch of newcomers. The 23 machine of Maggie, the 28 of Jenna Mills, and the 7 machine of Wyatt Johns. Wyatt was out here last night running second. These guys will be going 5 laps the distance. Track photographer. Yep, always waiting on Selleck down here. We're going to start these things 4 wide. A little bit of a late start here. Nobody got registered, so we're going to make the best of the situation. We're going to let them go 4 wide straight off the bat. All eyes on the flagman. You guys ready? Green is out. We're on our way 5 laps the distance here in the juice box division. Down to the inside. Early race lead for the 23 machine. They're going to fan out down the back straightaway. The 23 of Maggie out to the early race lead. Here comes Gunnar Signer. He's got a few race wins so far this season. He's mired back there in the 4th spot, beating and banging with the 28 machine. To the inside goes the 22. Put him in 3rd spot. Wyatt Johns looking to go 1 spot better than he did last night, finishing 2nd. Trying to run down Maggie down the back straightaway. She's out to about a 2-car length lead over Johns. Here comes Gunnar Signer in the 3rd spot. Coming around a complete lap, number 3. Here comes the Maggie in the 23. Johns trying to roll her in. They're still nose to tail as they pull away from Gunnar Signer in the 3rd spot. Maggie's going so fast she's losing her helmet. 2 to go for Maggie. John's trying to reel her in. He does not want another 2nd place finish. He's trying to reel her in that 7 machine. Down the back straightaway, they'll be coming to 1 lap left to go this time. Maggie going to continue to work right around the cones. Trying to extend out. She's about a 4-car length lead now as they come to the white flag. One more time around. Down the back straightaway, she's done run plumb out of her helmet. Into turns 3 and 4 for the final time. Y'all make some noise for Maggie picking up her first feature win here at the Beckley Motor Speedway. 2nd spot will go to Wyatt Johns. 3rd spot to Gunnar Signer. Y'all make some noise for these young men and women. This is the future of our sport. Back out here just a little bit for hot laps, and we'll get this show started.